Okay, today's February 2nd, and what the plan to do today is to go ahead and remove the masking off of the painted brake parts, and then give us a quick look at how the paint job came out, and then we're going to go ahead and start putting the calipers and the master cylinders together. Okay, so now we got everything masked off, or the masking has been removed. The paint job came out pretty nice on this stuff. That thing is pretty chewed up. That's all from rust that's been cleaned up off of it. I think it's okay. The bore's alright. We'll see. On this guy, the front master cylinder, I forgot to mask off the flange where the sealing washer goes, so I'll have to clean that up. Shouldn't be a big deal. There's a little bit of paint down in the threads. That one came out. This is the cap. I think that's kind of cool looking, really. There's a little bit of tape residue still on it, but that ought to look pretty nice sitting up on the handlebar. The calipers, I think it looks really nice. I'm pleased with the way the paint job came up. You can see the casting. These are obviously they're sand casted parts. You can tell by the surface. So now it's time to put them together. Okay, I'm going to start here by putting calipers together. We'll just start with this guy here. I'm not sure which one he is. Kind of looks like the right hand one to me. So this is important. So this is how the calipers are oriented on the bike. So this would be a rear, and the hose, the brake hose, would go this way around the swing arm. This is a left, which is the same as the rear. The hose comes up from there, and then the right is different because not only is it opposite, but it has this little aligner for the hose. So calm down a little bit. I was afraid that I had it wrong, that I might have painted two rights instead of having two lefts. Okay, so .3 brake fluid and a spray bottle of water. So I watched a video about motorcycle training, motorcycle mechanic training, and the instructor was teaching the students to have a squirt bottle full of water when they're working with brake fluid, because if you spill brake fluid on the paint, the first thing you should do is hit it with some water, because it just makes the brake fluid turn to it, emulsifies it, and then it stops the corrosive action on the paint. So that's the purpose of that. We'll keep that handy as we go through this. Okay, there's a brand spanking new Honda seal for the calipers. We'll just insert it into the slot here. There does appear to be an inner and an outer face. I believe you want to have the ridge, the high port, towards the back, because all the other seals that Honda puts in are like that. So it fits the OD just fine. on the front, and then it stands a little proud in the back. We'll just look at another one of these and see if we can tell a difference. Sure enough, the back, which I believe is the inner side, is a little taller than the outer, so we'll get a better seal that way. So it's a little fatter on this side than it is on that side. So I'm going to go ahead and put these in the other three calipers. So